let's see how to fix you can't italicize text in your Canva. So first, if you're unable to italicize text in your Canva, I will show you the solution of it. But for your information, why people italicize their text for them to highlight important words, phrases, or even concepts. Also, it can be also a style for titles of the books, films, some publications, or even a work of art. So, for this tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to fix this if you cannot italicize your text. So basically, I have this text here, which is I cannot click the italics button or icon. This text is not qualified to be italicized. So you have an option. You should change this or you should remove the text. So in the options, you just have to select another font that is similar to this one, which is, for example, I will choose so that I will be able to italicize it. Because some of the fonts doesn't support italics and you should try switching to a different font that supports italic formatting. So, that's how you fix if you can't italicize text in Canva. See you soon!